All right, so for today's warm-up, you want to put today's date, 9/14/17, and we are going to be using another tool of geometry today, which is called the compass. So you should see this. You should have this at your desk. Make sure everything is included. You have a pencil in it. It shouldn't be too loose. If so, we can take a screwdriver and fix it. But here's what I want you to do. I want you to kind of get familiar making some arcs. So here's how you hold it. I want everyone to hold your compass just the way I'm holding it. See, in your dominant hand, you're holding the pointy one, not the pencil one. Okay. What you want to do is plant that pointy part down somewhere and then gently drag the pencil. Okay. Might be kind of hard to see, but I made a little arc. Do another one over here. Okay, let's turn off the lamp maybe. Yeah, you can see that a little better. Okay, making some arcs. Arcs are cool. Next thing I want you to do, is kind of bring this closer together and try to make yourself a circle. When you're making a circle, what I want you to do is I want you to, again, gently drag it in a circle. Okay, so if you're gently dragging in a circle, you're going to notice that your hand can't rotate 360 degrees, and then you might start putting pressure on it. The pencil might start moving up if you press down too hard. It might actually start expanding if you press down too hard. So let me give you a suggestion on how to do circles. Okay, here's my suggestion. If you got a paper like this, or even in your journal, notebook, what you want to do is plant the pointy part down, gently put the pencil down, and if you can rotate your paper, you're going to get a nice, perfect circle. Okay, so I know you should be in your journals right now, so you're going to have to be able to rotate your whole journal, but you can see that's a nice circle. It's perfect. If you end up trying to do a circle and it doesn't actually meet at the end, it's because you might be pressing down too hard. The pencil might be moving up, or it might be, expanding like this because it's too loose. Again, the pencil should not move. If it's loose in there, we might need to tape it. If this is expanding or contracting too much, we might need to tighten up that screw. We can do that. But I want you to get some practice making some circles. And here's my suggestion. On another place, go ahead and put a dot, and I want you to make concentric circles. Concentric circles are basically different sized circles with the same center. So go ahead and make yourself like a decent sized length right here, and put the point down on the dot and rotate. Okay. Again, if you just rotate the paper, okay, I have a circle. You can kind of see that. And now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and that'll give me a concentric circle. I want you to notice, I'm not just putting it straight up and down. Like, you see how that's straight up and down? I'm holding it kind of at an angle when I rotate my paper. That's the best way. Okay, you can make a light circle on it, and it should come all the way back down, all the way back to the center, or where you started from. I have a seamless circle that I constructed. Now those are concentric circles. How many concentric circles can you make that look nice? Okay, I had a little mess up right here because when I was rotating, the paper got messed up. But you can do this. I want you to just right now, for your warm-up, use your compass to make some stuff. This is called construction. So you can construct circles, construct some arcs, be creative. Now's your time to quote-unquote, play with this thing. That way you can get the feel for it. If you need something on here to be fixed, let me know, and we can come around and help you out. And that'll be your warm-up, so continue doing that until we get started with the notes.